Let's get into how I bedazzled this e.l.f. lip oil. Of course, you're going to need your lip oil, a rhinestone glue, which is liquid fusion, a bottle to put the glue in, a wax pen, and rhinestone. So first, I'm going to do my foundation line, which is the first line. This line is so important because it can determine how well your project goes with the honeycomb method. And if you're not familiar with the honeycomb method, it's just placing one rhinestone in between every two rhinestones to make it look like a honeycomb. And that's what I did here. The size rhinestone that I'm using is a 3M. I do regret it because it is extremely small, and for this small lip oil, it took about 2 hours to do. Well, maybe 1 hour and a half, but I definitely would go with the bigger size, maybe 4M. But I don't know. I think it came out good, but I do recommend doing a 4M. It did take longer than I expected. So this is how it came out, and I think I like it because of the details. You can still see it in the e.l.f. lip oil. So the next thing I'm going to do is the black. I'm still using the clear rhinestones. I think it looks nice, and you can't really tell the difference with the black rhinestones. So I'm going in with this one. I would recommend having a bright light because it did get a little blurry, I would say, while doing the black, because the clear rhinestones are already kind of like invisible. But definitely, once again, recommend going with the bigger size. I'm continuing my honeycomb method here, and I'm going to do this all the way to the bottom. I did use a 2M rhinestone as a filler stone for the sides. I do show that in a little bit more detail on the other side of the e.l.f. lip oil. But yeah, I'm just going to finish this all the way towards the bottom, placing one rhinestone in between every two rhinestones until it's complete. And so far, this is what it looks like. I think it's coming out really good. So next, I'm going to do the other side, starting with my foundation line again and placing one rhinestone in between every two rhinestones for the honeycomb method. I think this is the side where I start using the 2M rhinestones to give it like a little filler. Oh yeah, I did with that third row in the beginning because it kind of looked, I don't know, it was off. So I did place in like a 2M rhinestone on the ends there to complete my honeycomb method. And I'm just going to continue to do this. Next, I did the top of the lip oil's lid. I really don't like it because you can't see like the e.l.f. logo, and I didn't do like a honeycomb method. I just did straight lines across, or try to keep them as straight as possible. I'm still using the 3M rhinestone. It kind of worked out perfectly, but with the clear, I guess because of the way the logo is imprinted on the lid, you really can't see it, but it still came out pretty good. And this is the final product. I think it looks really good. I definitely would do it with the 4M, but it definitely came out so cute. Let me know what you think in the comments. And once again, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.